Hello and welcome to Potato Printing with Outdoor Learning. I'm Mr. Lewis. Today what you will need for your potato printing: a potato, paper, some paint, a knife and fork. To start, get an adult to help you to cut the potato in half. I am using a normal cutlery knife for this activity. If you are cutting the potato by yourself, please make sure to keep your fingers away from the knife's blade. As you can see in the picture, it is now a case of scraping away the potato to leave a raised image. This raised image, when painted, will provide the print onto your piece of paper. You can follow the guide ahead to do the same print I've done, or get creative and create your own patterns for your own print. In this particular example, I'm going to create a tulip shape. I do this by simply cutting out two small triangles at the top of the potato. I then pull the triangles out and it leaves me a paw print looking potato. I then simply paint the potato with the paint and press it down on the paper. I think I'll start with some yellow flowers on my paper first, and then I'll move on to some red flowers. Now you don't have to copy me. You can create any shape you want with your potato for your printing. Once I've done my potato flowers, I'm going to add a little bit of green, maybe use a paintbrush and paint in the stalks to create my printed picture using my potato stamps. This potato print is slightly more tricky. What I'm going to do is carve out a C shape inside of the potato. So there is a raised edge around the potato in the shape of a C. I'm scraping away the potato inside with a fork or a knife from my cutlery set, being careful to not put my fingers near the pointy bits of the fork or the blade edge of the knife. Please use a cutlery knife if you are going to use a knife for this task. Do not use the sharp knife that your parents use to cut up vegetables in your kitchen. Please ask an adult if the knife is appropriate before you start this task. As you can see here, I've got my scraped out potato in the shape of a U, and I'm going to add some print to my picture. Now what could I do with this U shape? Maybe I'll use my finger and create a little pattern. What do you think it's going to be? That's right, it's a crab. What can you create? I've included some more pictures and designs to help you with your creativity and imagination. I can't wait to see your prints. Good luck!